To work a half double crochet, you have to start out with a turning chain. I'm going to chain 2 and turn my work around. This turning chain does count as your first half double crochet. Sometimes it may not though, so you have to look at your instructions to make sure. To make it half double, you yarn over before you put your hook into the next stitch. You yarn over again and pull this loop through the stitch. You have 3 loops on your hook, and then you yarn over and draw through all 3 of them. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and draw through all 3. Yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and all 3. Half double crochets. When you get to the end of the row, you have to work a half double crochet on top of that turning chain 2 from the previous row, or you won't have enough stitches. So you look at the 2 chains here, you're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the top of the chain 2 and pull up a loop, and then just work a half double just like you have in all the other stitches.